Okay.
It on. This is our signal for the right side. Now our second presentation is this one, the headlights. That one is low. When I switch it like this, I've turned it to high now.
Okay. Hi everyone, welcome again. Tuko na meza ingine hapa. I don't know what it's being done here. So we want to see what's happening here. Sasa
Hasana.
Tunakuita nani?
Emmanuel is Miguel.
So what are we doing here? So ni department gani kwanza?
Motor vehicle electronics.
Motor vehicle electronics.
Yes.
So what is happening here?
In front of you here, we have installed indicators and headlights.
Indicators na headlights.
Yeah.
So tuonyeshe inafanyaje?
So here we have a switch, here they are, the fuse box which delivers the power and the relays to supply the current to the bulbs. So this is off. I've turned the key on. That's our indicators for the left when I've switched it on. This is our signal for the right side. Now our second presentation is this one, the headlights. That one is low. When I switch it like this, I've turned it to high now.
Okay. So hii experience unaona ikaje?
For me, it's beneficial.
It's beneficial.
Yeah, it has helped me a lot because
Okay.
it's something I've learned since I was a kid.
Oh, and that's what made you to be more motivated to come and do mechanical.
And through experience on the TV, the influencers from above, on how they do them, how they improvise their cars in that way.
Okay, so this is shule gani?
This is KCITI.
KCITI College.
Yes.
Okay, good. Asanteni sana. Endeleeni na kazi.
Tumeshukuru.
Okay.
Cosmo. Ngoja. Nakolena yako hii ni kubwa. Mama? Nataka ya yangu. Ushike hii kubwa.
Nipeleke wapi sasa?
Ninafungwa tu hii bolt ninue. Nataka kuweka nini juu kususpend.
Ni kadogo sana.
Hiyo ndo nadai. Kani kadogo. Sure.
So guys, it's another part of automotive mechanical engineering. So we want to see what they're doing. Niko na nani hapa?
My name is Boniface Kimanzi.
Boniface, mnafanya nini? Kwa hii meza naona kitu kubwa. So what's this?
Basically we are repairing and we are outlining parts of the engine.
Oh, so basically kwa hii table, kazi yenu ni ku repair engine. You are learning how to repair the engine.
We are learning how to repair the engine.
Oh, and getting to know the parts of the engine.
And we are getting to know the parts of the engine, yes, correct.
Okay. Thank you so much. Mwendelee na kazi, na mko na kazi mingi mnafanya. We meet next time.
Thank you too.
Yeah, asanteni sana.
Asante.
Cosmo.
Ngoja.
Nakolena yako hii ni kubwa.
Mama?
Nataka ya yangu. Ushike hii kubwa.
Nipeleke wapi sasa?
Ninafungwa tu hii bolt ninue. Nataka kuweka nini juu kususpend.
Ni kadogo sana.
Hiyo ndo nadai. Kani kadogo. Sure.
My name is Teresia at Automotive Engineering here in KCITI, and here we do the body work where we scrub the old paint and we fill the damaged parts.
So kwa majina ni Peter Madenge na Kenya nafanya hapa ni mambo kuhusu na diagnostic machine, na hii ndio diagnostic machine. Kazi yake ni kudiagnose gari to check the system of the car kama iko sawa. So
Hello guys, welcome again. So in this section we want to know what is happening here in automotive department. This is KCITI college. So tuko na nani?
My name is Anthony.
Anthony. So yes. Anthony, naona hii kitu kwa hapa mbele yetu inafanya nini?
This is what we call a head. It is part of the engine. So what we do, a head has things we call a valve, which is helps in the combustion of an engine, whereby it takes in air inside the piston. So now when the air is when carbon accumulates here, it prevents the efficiency of the engine.
Okay.
So that's why we are doing that.
So basically you could repair the part of the engine.
It is called maintenance.
Maintenance.
Yeah, we are maintaining the engine.
Okay. Sawa. Asante sana. So guys, mnaenjoy class? Yeah. Sana. So mnasikia tu vizuri mkikuwa na parts za gari tu hapo mkirepair.
Tunasikia.
Okay, sawa. Thank you so much guys. Let's meet in the next episode.